In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock chat in Roblox on PC. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app or launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of Roblox, provide your credentials and log into your account. After that, click on this gear icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option settings. Here, navigate to this section account info. To use Roblox voice chat, your account must be eligible and you typically need to be at least 13 years old. If your age has not been verified yet, look for the option to verify your age and unlock additional features. Select the verification option and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on what's available for your account, you may be able to verify your age using your device camera or government-issued ID. If prompted, complete any two-step verification steps and continue through the verification process. Once the age verification is successful, return to the Roblox settings page. Now click on Privacy, Communication or the relevant chat settings section available on your account. Look for Experience Chat and make sure it is turned on. This enables text chat in supported Roblox experiences. If you also want to enable voice chat, navigate to Voice Communication settings and turn on voice chat or party voice chat if the option is available for your account. Keep in mind that voice chat is only available in experiences that support it, and your account must meet Roblox eligibility requirements. After enabling these settings, launch a Roblox game that supports chat features. You should now be able to use text chat, and if voice chat is available and enabled, you'll also be able to communicate using voice. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.